dancehall vibes, yeah, yeah. It's a dancehall vibes, yeah, yeah. Everybody say, oh, nah, 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 nah. 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 Nobody fi defend the poor and the needy. The tip, who flipping greedy. Locked up so long and full time on the free.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lala Living here, and today I'm gonna be installing this beautiful wig that I have in right now. This wig was sent to me by UNice hair company, and I'm so happy for it because it looks so good. Honestly, this mix blonde with ombres is so new to me. I've never had this particular color in my hair, but I think I like it. It's giving me like really nice vibes, okay, like summer vibes, but this is also fall appropriate, and y'all know we're about to go into fall, so stay tuned. Thank you UNice Hair for this honey blonde lace front wig. This also is an ombre highlight mix color, and y'all, this is actually straight hair, but I curled it up and I did my baby hair, and I actually did the ball cap method, which is also my first time doing the ball cap method. So stay tuned to see exactly how I achieved this look and how I style this hair. Before I get into this video, I need you guys to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and hit your post notification bell so you don't miss any more of my uploads. I have some more hair installations to bring to y'all, and if y'all want to see the heat, y'all need to subscribe and also hit your post notification bell. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get to it. So y'all, this is the UNice honey blonde lace front wig. This is ombre with highlights, and this is the TL412 color, okay? And as you guys can see, this color looks super good. So I'm just showing you guys what came inside the package. I had a thank you card along with some instructions and an edge scarf, a satin edge scarf, and I absolutely love them because I just like to tie it on my hair and have it nice and secured. They also gave a wig cap, which I will be using because I'll be trying out the ball cap method for the first time. So this is what the wig looks like when I take it out of the package. They have like a styrofoam in it. I think it's to keep the lace secure and keep it nice and straight. So I'm just combing through the hair to show you guys that initially I did have a little bit of shedding, a good amount of shedding. It was some strands that was coming out, and throughout the whole process I had a few more strands coming out, but it wasn't nothing crazy. I just want you guys to see that. So they packed the wig with some stuff in, and I'm just going to remove the styrofoam cap to show you guys the lace, and the lace was pretty easy to install. We have 3 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 in the back, and if you guys can see in the back it's also some lace, but I'm just going to cut that off. And so now I'm about to start with my ball cap, and y'all, this is my first time doing it, so yeah, just know that I really didn't want to take off my cap. If I could have come to y'all with the ball cap method already done, I would have do that, but it would have been pointless for y'all. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the wig cap and I'm going to stretch it over my head, my nice size head, and then I'm just going to make sure it's also covering my ears and everything. And I'm going to take some Got To Be spray and just spray along my hairline, and I'm going to make sure that it's enough so that it actually seeps through the wig cap. So I'm actually going in with my hand and pressing it through. You could use a comb because you know that your hands have some oils, but yeah, I'm going to be pressing it through, and then I'm going to go in with my blow dryer just to make sure that it is nice and set. And I felt as though I just wanted a thicker layer. Like I felt like I wanted it more adhered to my scalp, so I'm just going to head with another layer of Got To Be spray. I'm going to do the same thing with the blow dryer. So after I'm finished putting on my Got To Be spray and blow dry, I'm just going to take some scissors and create some air holes around my ears just to make sure that my ears are out first of all. And then I'm going to go ahead with the scissors again and start cutting off the excess wig cap, okay? And so I'm going to be starting from the side and working my way around. So while I'm doing this, I'm also pulling the wig cap kind of towards where the got to be is, just to make sure that I get as much of the wig cap cut as possible. I want to make sure that, you know, the barrier is very, very secured and laid. And I'm even going to go in again with some more got to be spray just to make sure it's down. And I'm going to press it down with the end of my comb just to make sure it's really flat and seamless at the beginning part of my wig cap, because I just want it to be like perfect. This is my first time and I am dedicated to this ball cap. So after the got to be spray, I'm going to go in with my blow dryer just to make sure that it's all down and secured. And I'm going to go in with my foundation powder, and I'm just going to go over the wig cap just to make it look more scalp like. This is the part that really matters, okay? Like, make sure you got a nice foundation to go on your wig cap just to give scalp. And look at me, I'm bald, so I was like taking pictures to send people, but this is what it looks like, and I'm like, yeah, it's cute. But enough of that. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is put on my wig just to feel it out. And before I do that, I'm gonna take the back of the lace that I showed you guys, and I'm just gonna cut that because I don't need it, okay? All I need is my combs that's in the wig. So once I cut off my lace, I'm gonna place the wig on my head and kind of feel it out to see how I want to do my placement. So at this point, I'm just looking at the hair like, wow, I'm really gonna be trying this color. It turned out pretty nice though, so I guess that's fine. And so what I'm gonna do now is take my hair and actually comb it back and get it prepped for the hot comb. And before I put on the hot comb, I'm gonna put some wax stick on my hair. This is a Damani collection. I'm gonna show you guys it right here. So I'm gonna be trying this out. This is what I got from my local beauty supply store. So you might not have this, but it's just a wax stick. And I'm gonna use that and press that into my hairline first before I go in with my hot comb. And I'm just gonna comb it back just so I can have all of the hair out of my wig. And this is supposed to be a pre-plucked wig, but I will say that the hairline was extremely thick, okay? So I don't know what they're meaning with pre-plucked. It wasn't giving me really plucked vibes, but you can always go in and customize it. So you rather have it, you know, with more hair than too little hair, and you can achieve the style that you want. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do right now is take my got to be gel, and I'm just like tapping the areas where I want the wig to lay. Typically I would use like a pencil to mark this, or like makeup, but at this point I just was like, I'm gonna just use the got to be. So I'm just tapping it around the area, and then I'm gonna take the wig and pull it back. Once the wig is pulled back, I'm gonna go in again with some more gel, and I'm just gonna create the first layer of got to be gel across my hairline, and I'm gonna do like a nice thin layer, and I'm gonna make sure it's really smooth and everywhere, okay? I'm not gonna miss a spot. I'm even gonna get around my ears because I love my wig to be fully done. I don't want it flying up from the side or anywhere, in case I like take my hand and put my hair behind my ears or whatever. And I'm just going in now with my blow dryer to make sure that the gel gets really tacky and sticky so that my wig stays down. And I'm just going to pull my wig cap forward, line it up, and press it down in. Don't press it down in with your hand. Yeah, y'all see how I'm using the comb now? Make sure to do that because your hands have oils that will turn your gel white, and you don't want that. So right now I'm just going to go in now and tie down my edges with the edge scarf that they gave me. You see how convenient that was? I just love it. So now that I have my hair tied down, I think straight wasn't gonna be it. Definitely wasn't gonna be it. I had a little bit of shedding too. But I'm just gonna go in with the hot comb and press down and make sure that the wig is as flat and laid as possible. Once I got it laid and exactly how I want it, I'm gonna now section my hair off and start curling my hair, okay? Because I'm just gonna go for some soft, light, effortless curls, okay? So that's exactly what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna just let you guys watch that because that's basically self-explanatory. So now that my hair is all curled up, I'm gonna take off the edge wrap, and I'm now gonna take my scissors, which are really huge. Like, I don't know where my smaller pair of scissors are, but I'm using these big, huge, almost kitchen scissors. But I'm just gonna take my scissors and kind of like zigzag around the lace while cutting the lace off, because you don't want to do it too straight because it'll look extremely unnatural. Okay, so I'm just going to take off my excess lace. I started in the middle, but then I was like, I need to deal with my ear part first so I could actually come all the way down and be more continuous with the cutting. So once all of my lace is cut off, I'm going to go in again with the same foundation powder that you saw me had earlier. I'm just going to put it around my edges because it just will make it look so much more natural. So what I'm going to do is go in now and define my middle part. I'm going to part it out, and then I'm going to go back again with my Damani collection wax stick and wax the hairs just so that I don't have any flyaways or little strands that want to stick up and scare people. So I'm just gonna go in with my wax stick and press down all the hairs, and I'm gonna take my hot comb and press it down. The hot comb and the wax stick together is like magic, okay? It really gets your hair exactly how you want it. And right now I'm going in again with my comb, and I'm just gonna section out some baby hairs. Okay, I'm gonna create my baby hairs. I'm gonna take some of the hair and I'm gonna just put some of the got to be spray on it, not a lot but enough just to keep the hair forward, because remember I did hot comb it all back. And then I'm gonna go and take my edge brush and just create my baby hairs, create them swoops, and you're gonna see the difference with the side that has baby hairs and the side that doesn't. Like, some styles don't need baby hairs, but I feel like this color and this style just needed something, especially because the wig wasn't as pre-plucked as you would typically like. So y'all see the difference, y'all see it. And so now I'm gonna go in with some concealer, and I'm going to conceal my middle part just to make it look more realistic, to give it scalp, to give it, you know, realistic vibes, okay? And so the last thing I'm going to be doing is taking my hot comb and my wax stick and just creating that nice, I don't know, what do you call it, like fall over natural look. So I'm just going to hot comb that area, and then you guys, voila, this is my hair now. I absolutely love it. If you guys are interested in getting this hair, check my description box below for the link to this hair. I'll see you guys later in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.